How to swap account in Chrome. Follow the instructions. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the window. Click on the profile icon to open the profile menu. Wait for the list of available profiles to appear. Look through the profiles that are already added. Click on the profile you want to switch to. A new Chrome window will open with the selected profile. Check the profile picture or name to confirm the switch. If the profile is not listed, click on the Add button. A new window will prompt you to sign into a Google account. Enter the email and password to complete the sign-in process. Once signed in, the new profile will open and be ready to use. Thank you for watching.